How to use same Telegram account on two devices. Now before we start, make sure that your Telegram account is active on your primary device or where you have already logged into your account. So if your account is active on your primary device, now if you want to log in your Telegram account on this secondary device, then what you have to do is you have to install the Telegram in your secondary device. So for that, open up Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then search for Telegram application. Then install the application in your secondary device. After installation, open up the Telegram application on your secondary device. Tap on Start Messaging. Now you have to log in with the same account that you have logged into your primary device. So for that, select your country and enter the phone number associated with your Telegram account. After that, you will receive a login confirmation. There, Telegram will send a code to your primary device via the application. In case if you don't see the code, you can go to the settings, devices, and then head towards active session on your primary device in the application. After that, once you have the code from your primary device, you have to enter the code in your secondary device. Now once you are verified, you will be logged in and both of your devices will have access to the same Telegram account. Then all your chats, files and messages will sync across devices automatically. And in that way, you can use same account on two different devices. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.